today I'm going to show you how to do a life pie, also known as the six spokes theory. You start by drawing a circle and dividing it into six pieces of a pie. You then label each line or spoke with an aspect of your life that's important to you. I'm going to use the suggestions in the book The Artist Way by Julia Cameron, which are spirituality, romance/adventure, work, play, exercise, and friends. But you could also use body, mind, love, work, play, and money if those are more important to you. You then draw a dot on each line or spoke at the degree to which you feel you're fulfilled in that area. Dots closer to the outer rim means high fulfillment. Dots drawn closer to the inner circle means not so much. After you do that, you draw lines connecting the dots to see where you are lopsided. The idea is that you have a well-functioning wheel, so all the spokes would be tight. As you can see by my circle, I have been neglecting friends and play, and maybe a little bit of exercise too. So this would be a reminder to myself to maybe set up a hiking date with a close friend of mine. I like to do this life pie, six spokes theory practice once every few months. It's just a great way to do a self check-in or life audit. So I hope you like it. Thank you.